Okay, welcome everybody, or whoever's watching. What we're going to do here today is I'm going to show you how to put out some text, simple, plain text if you want. So if you need to work on some text, you can do that. So we'll have to create a canvas because this is blank. Because I'm using this is Gimp, a portable version of Gimp. And it's 2.1023 as you can see here, or maybe you can't see, I'm not sure, but my last check was a while ago, last year. I haven't updated this portable version yet, but anyway, we'll just create a new canvas, file new, and we'll just create this is what I have, a template that I have. I think I don't know what this default template is, but we'll just use this. It's set to black, so it came out black. Now we want to select a foreground color, which is going to be, we'll just select it white. FFF is white. And now we want to put out text, so this is the text tool right here. You click on the text tool. Now you come to the canvas and you click on the canvas and stretch out your text box. This is the box that you're going to put your text, type your text into. Okay, right now the text is at 256 pixels, so we'll just make that a little smaller. And now we just come in here and we type in text here. Okay, now to make the font bigger or larger, you can come over here to this portion of the tool options dialog for text where your font is showing. Here I'm using this font, which is a charming font, italic. Now I can change this by clicking on the little swatch or image that's there and selecting a font from this area here, but I've also put the fonts over here in a larger image so we could see. So I'll use, say, this one, text here. Okay, so I selected this font, which is now shows over here as well. Okay, so now we have the text here. I'm using the arrow keys to move this back and forth, which will put, let me zoom in this little, which will put the where you're going to start your next well, just like typing, where you're going to start. So space, and then I'll put type here please. Type here please. There's type here please with a period. Okay, now we got the text out. Now I'm not sure why there was someone having trouble not being able to put text out. I just showed you how simple that was. That I don't know what the issue is when you press this. This is the toolbox. If you go, I can put out a second one here, and if I wanted to change the color, I now have to come here. But let me put another one out, and I'll type out thank you. Oh, thanks. Thank you. Thank you for WATCHING. Now, of course, you can't see it because it's too big, so I am going to make it smaller, and there. Now to change the color, I just come over here and say pink. Okay, do I want pink? Yeah, sure, why not? There you go. Now I come over here to the layers dialog here, and I can change the color of this background by just coming over here and getting, say, a gray color, clicking and dragging and swatch over and dropping it in. Now let's see, let's do a drop shadow, filter, lights, drop shadow. We'll do legacy, and then we'll do it on this text too. We'll do the same thing, repeat, drop shadow, legacy, and then we'll come down here and we'll go, I'll highlight these, I'll put the chain, connect the chain which connects these two text layers together. But let me just move this text layer. Thanks for watching. Let me move this text layer. Move this text layer. Just move this text layer. Oh, that's on. Move this text layer under there. Text here, please. Oh, I have to move the drop shadow. Edit, undo, move. Oh, let me connect the drop shadow. There we go, see? And I'm going to go, oh, that's the wrong shadow. Here's the shadow right here. Okay, so we go and connect that and disconnect that. So we have the shadow connected and the text connected. Now we're going to move this here. Thanks for watching. Alright, now we go layer to image size. Layer to image size. Now we're going to select, let's go and select this here. And go, oh no, not that, this one. Yeah, that one. Yeah. Edit. Oh no, go merge down, and go edit, cut, edit, paste, and move this over to there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.